53. A triangle has the following points as vertices 0, 0, 3, 4, and 6, 0. This triangle is A, a scalene triangle, B, an isosceles triangle, C, a right triangle, D, an equilateral triangle, E, an equiangular triangle. Okay, a scalene triangle is a triangle with three unequal sides. An isosceles triangle is a triangle with two equal sides. A right triangle is a triangle that forms a 90-degree angle. An equilateral triangle is a triangle with three equal sides. And an equiangular triangle is a triangle with three congruent interior angles. So a triangle has the following points as vertices 0, 0, 3, 4, and 6, 0. And this is the figure of this triangle. So the first point lies at the origin of the y and x axis. And the second point lies at x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4. Then the third point is at x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 0. We will know if this triangle, to know if this triangle is any of those in the choices, we have to know the measurements of its sides. So we are given the base of this triangle, it is equal to 6 units. And we also have its height, which is equal to 4 units. We can now solve for the length of its legs. How are we going to solve for the length of its legs? So if we try to draw a line from the vertex from the second point of this triangle, so that's the vertex angle. If we try to draw a line from that point to the base of the triangle, it will intersect the midpoint of the baseline. And it will look like this. So this line forms two congruent triangles. So since they are congruent, that means they have the same base length and height. Therefore, they will also have the same measurement in their hypotenuse. So the base length of each of these triangle is 3 units. So given the base length and the height, we can now solve for the hypotenuse. This is also equal to the legs of the original triangle. So using Pythagorean theorem, since these congruent triangles form 90-degree angles. So by Pythagorean theorem, our hypotenuse is h squared, capital letter H. The square of that is equal to the square of the base of the two congruent triangles. So the base is 3. So square of that plus the height, which is 4. So the square of 4. So this is equal to, so h squared is equal to 3 squared is 3 times 3, 9. Then plus 4 squared is 16. So this is equal to 9 plus 16 is 25. So h squared is equal to 25. Therefore, h is equal to square root of 25 is 5. Therefore, the legs of your triangle, the measurements of the legs of your triangle is 5 units, while the base is 6 units. So, therefore, that triangle is an isosceles triangle. So, the correct answer is letter B, isosceles triangle. The triangle has two equal sides. 54. The diameter of the wheel is 6 cm. How many complete revolutions will the wheel make if it rolls a distance of 108 pi cm? A6, B12, C18, D24, E30. Okay, our formula to get the complete revolution is equal to revolution equals distance covered by the wheel over circumference of the wheel. And this is equal to, so distance covered by the wheel is 108 pi cm. So divided by circumference of the wheel is equal to 2 pi so 2 pi, the circumference is equal to 2 pi r, so this is 2 pi r, and this is equal to, so 108 divided by 2 is 54, and pi divided by pi equals 1, so 54 times 1 is just 54, then over r. So what is r? Diameter is given, which is 6 cm, and r is half of diameter, so that is half of 6, so 6 divided by 2 is 3. Therefore, your complete number of revolutions is 54 divided by 3 equals 18. So the correct answer is letter C.